Configuring Apple Pay in Safari browser is a straightforward process that allows you to make secure and convenient online transactions. To start, ensure that your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a supported credit or debit card. First, open the Safari browser on your Apple device and go to a website that accepts Apple Pay. Look for the Apple Pay button, which is usually indicated by the Apple Pay logo or the words Apple Pay. Click on this button to initiate the payment process. Next, you will be prompted to sign in to your iCloud account. If you are not already signed in, enter your Apple ID and password to access your account. This step is necessary to verify your identity and ensure the security of your transactions. After signing in, you will be asked to select the card you want to use for the transaction. Choose a card that is already added to your wallet app or add a new card by following the on-screen instructions. To add a new card, you will need to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have selected or added a card, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. This includes the payment amount, the merchant's name, and the card you are using. If everything is in order, click the Pay button to complete the transaction. You will then be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. This step provides an additional layer of security to prevent unauthorized transactions. If you are using a Mac, you may also be prompted to authenticate the transaction on your connected iPhone or Apple Watch. Best practices for using Apple Pay in Safari include keeping your device and browser up to date, using strong passwords and authentication methods, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps and guidelines, you can enjoy a seamless and secure online payment experience with Apple Pay in Safari browser.